So the first shape that we want to find the perimeter of is a triangle. How do you find the perimeter of a triangle? Well, it's pretty simple. All you do is the perimeter is the outside, you add up the 3 outsides. So how do you find the perimeter of a triangle? You add up the 3 sides, okay? And that's what it says. It says to find the perimeter of a triangle shown below, add the length of the 3 sides. What's a rectangle? Well, we know what a rectangle is. It's quadrilateral with right sides, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal. Why do we care about that? Well, what we care about is if I know this bottom is L, then the top also has to be L. If I know the left side is W, then the right side has to be W. We often call that length and width, right? That's why they used L and W. So if I wanted to find the perimeter, the length of the outside, I would add up those 4 figures, or those 4 sides, right? But notice I added W twice and I added L twice. So they simplify the formula there by, instead of saying P equals L plus W plus L plus W, they just said 2L plus 2W. Do you need to know that it's 2L plus 2W? I don't really care, but you do need to know to add all 4 sides. But this is probably the formula that I would go ahead and put on my note card if you're allowed a note card. So what's the difference between a rectangle and a square? Nothing. To find the perimeter, you're still adding those 4 sides together. The only difference is the length and the width are the same. So it would either be 4 L's or 4 W's, but to distinguish it, rather than calling it length and width, they call it S for side. So you add side plus side plus side plus side, so you get the formula for the perimeter of a square being 4 times the length of a side. I do want to notice we just got done with our section on units. Units matter, so if we're in an applied problem and each one of those is 2 feet, you would say the perimeter is, well, it'd be 4 times 2 feet, which would be 8 feet. You cannot leave your answers without a label, no naked numbers, right? You have to label your answers. So you have to label it as 8 feet.